And you want to find A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, when you look at this, what you're told that these two lines are parallel to each other, and you want to find these other pieces of information. Well, let's find the linear pair first. So if we have 132 here, that means angle F is going to be 180 minus 132. So that's going to be 48. Now, at the same time here, we can also, without having to draw in any additional lines, we have these two alternate interior angles. So if this angle is 101, angle C is also going to be 101. And if that's 101, then its linear pair D is going to be 180 minus 101. So this angle will be 79. And now you can start to use triangle sum here, if you'd like. So using triangle sum, we can find this angle E. So 48 plus 79 has to add up with E to equal 180. So if you take 180 minus 79 minus 48, you're left with the angle here, 53. You could have also used exterior angle. 132 is going to equal 79 plus your unknown, since an exterior angle equals the sum of the remote interiors. So you'd get 53 that way as well. Okay, and then finally, again, if you wanted to, here you could use triangle sum to find what B has to equal. So 53 plus 61 plus B has to equal 180. So if we solve for that, we get our B value to be 66. And then the last thing, this value A, this angle A, these three angles here form a straight angle. So 101 plus 66 plus A has to add up to 180. So we can solve for that, and we would get our measure 13. Now, there's an alternate way to think of solving this that doesn't involve triangles as much. And so another way to think of this, and for some of you, you remember that for these types of problems, we drew in our own kind of parallel line through that vertex. You can still solve this problem that way as well. So if we had 132 here, and then again we found this to be 48, that means that this upper portion of 61 would also be 48 by corresponding angles, and that leaves this lower portion to be 61 minus 48, so that would be 13 here, which would leave A to be 13, which again would in turn kind of lead back and still allow us to find B would be 66. And then you could use the, again, alternate interior angles. So you, and this one is angle C is 101. Angle D would be its linear pair, 79. And then angle E, again, using triangle sum with either this small triangle or this large triangle, you would get your 53. So you can use draw the line in if that's what you see, but you can also use it just with properties of triangles.